Out here in Fort Worth, Texas, just doing a quick brake job on a Nissan Sentra in a multi-point inspection. They got quoted like $600 to do those brakes. That's ridiculous. Crazy, crazy. Got your money's worth for sure.
Oh, wow. Yes, I haven't had my fronts changed since I left from Oregon.
Oh, okay. That's where you from?
No, I'm originally from California, but doing some work in Oregon.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I passed through Oregon a couple times.
Good man.
You say not?
It's not for black people.
Yeah, I figured that too. That's why I just passed through. Shit. Good go. Topped off the cooler too. On to the next one.